Welcome back. This is the RPA champion, and in today's video you will be learning how to use the attach functionality inside the objects inside of Blue Prism. So why do we need the attach functionality? The attach functionality is useful if you get an error that says not connected, or if your application cannot interact with your with whatever browser you are spying. This is happening because Blue Prism is not recognizing the application. Maybe it's not connected, or maybe you even have not initialized it properly. So to avoid all of these errors, it is good practice to use attach. Attach should be inserted in front of each one of your activities. So if you're following Blue Prism best practices and you are separating every single object like this, you will insert the attach before every single object, so before usually the wait stage of every single object. So let's see what the attach looks like. So in the attach, I have, first of all, I have the main application level, and I check if it's connected. This is a flag that I store inside of a variable that is true or false. After that, we have a decision, and inside of the decision we just drag and drop the value to check if it's true or false. If it is false, we would then attach to the application, meaning we would, to the main application, we would attach. If it is connected, then we would just end it and continue with the flow as normal. So this is just a little tip that I wanted to, a little bit of insight and a tip on how to use the attach functionality. This will also solve you a couple of errors in Blue Prism. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my content and you're enjoying these Blue Prism videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, let me know what kind of content you would like to know in the future, and also if you are having any problems or difficulties working in Blue Prism. I would really love to know. Have a great day.